Hey there YouTube. So this is what I'm monkeying around with tonight. Got this little low dollar dash cam here I picked up at Walmart. After Christmas they threw them on clearance for $5, believe it or not. So I picked up a couple of these things for $5. I don't expect much, but hey, for $5 it's going to do something. It's got the loop recording. The angle doesn't look the best, but it's got the loop recording. That'll be fine. It comes with a 8 gig card included, so it'll be fine to put in the Jeep. So here's what I got going on here. You know, here's your standard 12 volt plug that goes into your, I guess they don't call them cigarette lighters where the cigarette lighter goes anymore. I guess they just called them 12 volt auxiliary plugs nowadays. But anyway, you guys know what this is. So you just take the end and the guts out there, it pulls apart, and then you got the electronics in it. And you can see a few capacitors there and the heat shrink. So what I've done is just basically heat shrinked it there, soldered on a couple of wires there for the power, positive and negative, and I'll just tap those in directly behind the actual 12 volt accessory or cigarette lighter plug in the Jeep where you don't see it. That's why I don't want to use that. I don't like wires and adapters and crap all over the place. And then from there I'll go ahead and run that up to the dash, and I'll go ahead and put the old camera on it. So that's what I'm monkeying with today. I'll go ahead and show you part 2 when it's all done and installed. But for right now, here's what I got going on.